Hey guys, SebAtreyu is back and I do hope you all are doing well. So I wanted to take a moment of my chill Sunday to just say thank you very much for 2,000 plus subscribers. I cannot believe that I am already over 2,000 subscribers. Can't believe this channel already has more than 2,000 subscribers. It's so crazy. I felt like I just deleted my Atreyu Locs video when I had over 500 and I was just starting the SebAtreyu channel, and now look at us, like we're doing well. So I'm going to continue to try to bring you guys quality content. I'm going to continue to try to be consistent because consistency is key. People want to know that they're going to have something to watch, right, from the person to whom they're subscribed. And also I want to thank all of you very sincerely for being so loving and compassionate with my video that I just uploaded yesterday, which was a prank on you guys, telling you that I was about to, well, not saying directly that I was about to cut my locks, but implying it, hoping that you guys would infer it. Some of you got caught, some of you did not. Some of you know me so well that it just didn't ring true. And as I said, it was hard. You know, I definitely wanted to laugh in the video a lot. I'm just not a good liar, and I think that's a good thing. But no, seriously, thank you for your support. Even though it wasn't true, you know, there might come a day when it is true. My goal is 4 years, and just to know that regardless of what I do with my hair, that you guys are here for me, you know, regardless as a person. You see my essence, you see that I'm more than my hair. It just means a lot. Thank you for your love, your support, your encouragement, your loyalty. I mean, all of that. It really, truly means the world to me. And yeah, let's just work together to make this channel bigger and better, you know? I'm gonna start asking you guys to subscribe and like. That is so crazy. It feels so weird. It's so foreign to me, but I think that ultimately it would be a good thing for all of us because we are an all-inclusive bunch, and that's just how we get down. So thank you all so much, new and old subscribers, past and present subscribers, and even the future ones. I just thank you all so much. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.